I've been learning Jetpack Compose for Android from last 1 year and it significantly changed my life as an Android app developer and also improved the overall quality of my apps. If you want to build Android apps, then learning Jetpack Compose will be very helpful. And in this video, we will be discussing why you should learn Jetpack Compose and what is Jetpack Compose and what are its benefits. Let's start with what is Jetpack Compose for Android. According to their website, it is modern toolkit for building native Android UI, which simply means it is an API library which handles rendering of views in Android. Previously in Android, we used to create views using XML file in which layouts and elements are properly arranged along with their attributes and properties. Problem with this approach is there is lot of boilerplate code. It is very difficult to create complex views which have dynamic state and it is not flexible. To solve this problem, Google has introduced Jetpack Compose. In Jetpack Compose, instead of using XML file, we write entire UI and various UI elements in Kotlin code inside a special function called as Composable Function. These functions are rendered into views. This approach for building UI has many advantages, like you can write less code for simple tasks. For example, if you want to create list of items, previously we used recycled views in Android, which has lot of boilerplate code. But in Jetpack Compose, you can create same list view using just few lines of code in single function. This increases your speed of development and productivity. Another advantage of using Jetpack Compose is it has uni-directional data flow. Now, without going into in-depth in engineering aspect of it, in simple words, when you build UI in Jetpack Compose, there is a uni-directional flow of events and data. All data flows downward into UI elements and all events like user interactions go upward from UI elements to parent activity. Because of this, we can separate UI element from data layer. If you work in big app project, then this will be very helpful and less chaotic. If you want to learn Jetpack Compose, then subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be making more videos on modern Android app development like Jetpack Compose, including full tutorial videos. Have a nice day and bye bye.